Let us resume our discussion on NCERT problems. Already we have solved some of them. So today we will be solving our first problem, that is problem number Our first problem is problem number 1.13. The question goes like this. The question is, niobium crystallizes it crystallizes in BCC structure. Density is given as 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. Question is, atomic mass is also given. Atomic mass is given as 93 U. We all know what U is. You have to calculate the atomic radius. What will be the atomic radius? That we have to calculate. So to solve it, let us first see what are the values which are given. We all know the formula, that is D is equal to Z into M divided by NA into AQ. So according to this formula, the values which are given is, density is given, which is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, is equal to, we know Z, it is for body center, it should be 2, which is 2. M is given as 93 U. So we can write in our convenient way, we should be writing, it should be 93 gram per mole, right? Na, that is Avogadro number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into AQ. Now AQ we don't know, so we are keeping it like this one only. So to calculate this, we should be writing A cube is equal to 2 into 93 gram per mole divided by, this one will come down, so it should be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. We have to calculate the value of A from here. The value of A cube, if we are getting near about 36.12 into 10 to the power minus 24 centimeter cube. But we need A because ultimately we have to calculate the atomic radius. So from here, if I take the value of A, it should be cube root of this value, 36.12 into 10 to the power minus 24 centimeter cube. So A will ultimately be, value of A will be 3.30 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So we are getting the edge length only. Now for a body center, we know R is equal to root over 3 by 4 into A. So A will be 4R by root 3. So if you have to calculate R, which we can simply put the values, which will be like root over 3 into 3.30 into 10 to the power minus 8 by 4. Root over 3 means 1.73. So you can calculate 1.73 into 3.30 into 10 to the power minus 8 divided by 4. Calculate. After the calculation, we are getting 1.431 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. I have previously calculated. So we are getting this much. 10 to the power minus 10 meter, that is the order. So we can directly write down it is 0.143 nanometer. That is the answer. Next one is also a similar problem. It is question number 1.15. The question goes like this. The question is copper. It crystallizes into FCC lattice with edge length. Edge length is given as 3.61 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. We have to show that the calculated density is in agreement with the measured value of, measured value is given, measured value is 8.29 gram per centimeter cube. So we have to show that calculated density is in agreement with this. That means we have to ultimately calculate the density only, Z into M by NA into A cube. Now copper, we all know Z should be 4 because it is FCC. Copper, the molecular mass or the atomic mass in this case for copper should be very well known, 63.5. Then value of A is also given, 3.61 into 10 to the power minus 8. So let us put these values directly. So it should be 4 into 63.5 divided by 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 3.61 into 10 to the power minus 8 cube of it. Now let us calculate this value. You pause this video here, calculate it. After calculation, we are getting it as 8.96 gram per centimeter cube. You see this value, it is very close to this one. So we can say almost it is in agreement with the measured value. Next problem is problem number 1.21. Here the question is gold, which is having atomic radius 0.144 nanometer. So we know 0.144 nanometer is given as the atomic radius. It crystallizes in FCC center, means FCC unit cell. What will be the edge length? What will be the edge length? Now radius is given. For a FCC cell, we already know the relationship between R and A. What is that? What is the relationship between R and A? We have derived it earlier. You can pause the video here. You can see the previous videos where we have derived the relationship between the radius and the edge length. R is equal to A by 2 root 2. We have proved it also. So A becomes R into 2 root 2. So R value is given 0.144. So it is basically 2R. So it should be multiplied by 2 into root 2, that is 1.414. So if we calculate this much, remember we are taking this value in nanometer. So the answer should be in nanometer. No need to change it into other units because it is given in nanometer only. We are getting 0.407 nanometer. You do calculate it by yourself by pausing the video here. So it is the answer. So it is basically using this equation which we have proved earlier.